Vatan Construction Services and Supply LLC is a Turkish company headquartered in Adana, Turkey since 1998. Our strategy is to offer quality service at international levels compliant with the relevant laws and regulations, and to meet the specifications and expectations of our customers in the field of domestic and international general contracting services. For this purpose, Vatan aspires to improve its activities using the highest ethical standards and the most effective and efficient systems in an effort to continue to meet the customer's ever-changing expectations. Simultaneously, the company hopes to inspire its own subcontractors and suppliers to improve their own quality to assure the success and the competitiveness of the final output. Vatan follows the quality standards of ISO 9001-2000, ASTM, IBC, IEC, NBC, and NEC in construction sites. Since its establishment, Vatan Construction has succeeded in becoming the leader in its areas of operation by adopting the principle of continuous development. With its technical staff and mechanical equipment, Vatan Construction has proven its difference in the field and has successfully completed all the projects it started. The fields we operate in are hydroelectric power plant projects, highway projects, bridge projects, infrastructure projects, purification projects, soil projects, construction projects, furnace operations, Menga Dam and hydroelectric power plant. The project is fully completed, and an offer for additional work for this project is under evaluation. The project includes construction and installation of a logistical steel bridge, surface treatment of roadways, earthworks, excavation and backfills, and concrete works. And it is the first application implemented in Turkey of a river plant of the clay-cored fill type. It is located 4.5 kilometers from the Syrian border on the Euphrates River. The plant has an installed capacity of 189 megawatts and aims to produce 652.5 gigawatt hours of power annually. The reservoir's left and right bank protection dikes, which were designed to protect public settlements and 433 hectares of agricultural lands, raised the reservoir elevation from 336 meters to 340 meters. The Kandil Group projects, Hacı'nın regulator, and hydroelectric power plant. This is located on the upper stream of the Manzalet Dam, situated in the Ceyhan River Basin, within the boundaries of Kahramanmaraş province. The regulator, having a tailwater elevation of 603.7 meters, 130 megawatts of installed power, and an energy generation of 359.794 gigawatt hours, is under construction as a frontal-type concrete body with a gated water intake. This project includes the construction of a spring and river mouth copper dam, a diversion tunnel portal excavation, a regulator building, a water inlet building, conduits, energy tunnels, and approaching tunnels, a penstock pipe, a plant building, a switchyard, transportation roads. The Kandil Group projects, Sarıgüzel Dam and hydroelectric power plant. This is located upstream of the Manzalet Dam in the Ceyhan River Basin within the boundaries of Kahramanmaraş province. The dam, having a tailwater elevation of 747 meters, 100 megawatts of instilled power, and an energy generation of 256.554 gigawatt hours, is under construction as a concrete-face sand-gravel fill type. The project includes various aggregate supply tasks and transporting, and various excavation and backfilling tasks, Besen Road and support structures. This project includes the construction of a roadway from the power plant to Besen and all support structures. The Kandil Dam and hydroelectric power plant is an ongoing project. It is located upstream of the Manzelet Dam in the Ceyhan River Basin within the boundaries of Kahramanmaraş province. The dam, having a tailwater elevation of 860 meters, 210 megawatts of installed power, and an energy generation of 502.089 gigawatt hours, is under construction as a concrete face rock fill type. The project includes all earthworks, excavation and backfilling, rock crushing, topographic applications, and concrete works. Construction of transportation roads and drilling roads onto the location of the Kuşaklı regulator and hydroelectric power plant. The contract was signed in 2010, and the duration of the project is expected to be about 6 to 8 months. The scope of the project is opening and construction of transportation roads for the Kuşaklı regulator and hydroelectric power plant, construction of art structures along the route of the transportation roads, opening of drilling roads, and displacement of forest roads. The Dağdelen regulator and hydroelectric power plant. Its scope includes the construction and maintenance of all roads, coatings and all art structures needed for those roads, and excavation work of all kinds. The Yamanlı 2 regulator and hydroelectric power plant. The project was started in June of 2010. The total project duration is 1 year. The scope of the project is opening of transportation roads for the Yamanlı 2 regulator and hydroelectric power plant, construction and maintenance of art structures in the scope of the project, and construction of 2 bridges across the Göksu River. The Iraqi Kora Shaklawa Kandil Highway is an ongoing project. The road starts from Kora, which is located 40 kilometers northeast of Erbil city, continues to Shaklawa, passes through Harir, which is located farther north, and reaches the Kandil River region by making an arch to the northwest. The project is a section of the main highway to Iran. The contract consists of 51 kilometers of 2x2 highway construction. It also involves construction of 2 tunnels totaling 1,315 meters in length. This highway construction project, awarded by the government of Iraq, was commenced under the responsibility of Yüksel Construction in January of 2010 and is still being continued successfully today. Our company executes every kind of earth-moving task, and we successfully carry out all types of excavation, backfilling, digging, compacting, and transportation, along with topographical services. Between 2006 and 2007, Vatan Construction completed a subcontract on an earthwork and concrete vertical and horizontal building construction project by constructing and renovating the Iraqi Army's 7th Division, 2nd Brigade headquarters on Al-Assad Air Base in Iraq. In 2008, Vatan completed a subcontract on an earthwork and concrete vertical and horizontal building construction project by constructing and renovating facilities to support the Iraqi Army's regional battalion. In 2007, Vatan constructed a fully functional LSA camp for the U.S. Army Special Forces, the Haditha Dam in Iraq. In 2008, Vatan constructed training facilities for an Iraqi military subcontract. Vatan constructed and renovated facilities and an access road to support the 7th Division of the new Iraqi Army. Between 2008 and 2009, Vatan constructed a transient aircraft apron, a medium aircraft apron, and a runway with shelters. In 2008, Vatan completed a subcontract constructing training facilities for the Iraqi military. In 2007 and 2008, Vatan constructed the entry checkpoint for Al-Assad Air Base. From 2006 through 2008, Vatan was awarded various U.S. government and KBR contracts for producing and delivering over 20,000 concrete barriers in Iraq. Our concrete barrier plant is capable of producing T-wall sizes from 7 feet to 13 feet, C-bunkers, and New Jersey barriers. Vatan produces concrete barriers in Al Asad Air Base under the quality standards of ISO 9001, 2000, IBC, NBC, and KBR. From 2006 through 2008, Vatan was awarded various U.S. government contracts for supply and delivery of over 100,000 cubic meters of limestone, river rock, and subbase in Iraq. Vatan currently has 2 rock crushers available on Al Asad Air Base, producing subbase, base coarse, limestone gravel, and river rock crushed gravel in various sizes and compositions.